Hi guys, here we've got POCO C40 and let me show you how to activate developer options here. So at first reach settings, then find and select about phone. You've got it at the top of the list, and now click on new version 7 times. And as you can see, after that you are a developer. So let's go back. And now you'll be able to find developer options under additional settings right here. Scroll a bit lower and here you've got it. Click to open and now you can easily use all the features here. So if you wish to activate something or switch something off smoothly, do it manually by yourself by using the indicators. And that's it. Then whenever you wish to close developer options, if you want to turn it off, just unmark the stop switcher, and from now on you will not be able to open it again. You will have to perform the same action, so you will have to unlock them via about phone panel. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.